have 280 species. Well, I think I have 280 squirrels just on my property alone. I'm thinking about taking this shot right here. Good shot, and that's how you know right there, because he's asleep.